Hi guys, I forgot to make a video about this bird, but this is another bird we found. She has a little hole in her chest and we've been treating it with peroxide, and I'm pretty sure a cat tried to eat her. She is finally eating on her own, and we got her 2 days ago. I think it was August 12th or 13th, and she's very scared right now, which is why I didn't bother her the first 2 days, but she is eating and drinking on her own now. But yeah, she's getting slowly better. She's getting more active. She's standing by herself now. And I don't know what to name her yet, but we'll come back with that. Bye, birdie.